Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at Best in Class. This is page 11 where they introduce the eighth notes. And the first one is just all D's with the eighth notes on beat 4. And let's lock in our tempo here. So you count that 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So in Standard of Excellence, he puts the breath marks after beat 3. In this one, he does not. But here's Calypso song, number 39. All right, on to Cha-Cha the Rhythm, number 40. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yeah, I hear it too. And the repeat. All right, here we go in the Yankee Doodle Cha-Cha. And on to 42, Feel the Pulse. 1, 2, 3. All right, and moving on to Square Dance, number 48. No, 43. As you get older, some of those numbers seem to squeeze in a little bit more than. Oh, that's wrong. Try that again. All right, and number 44, moving on up. Got number right that time. Oh, yep, that was wrong. All right, 44, take B. Little sharp there. All right, and next we have 45, the talent show. All right, and unexpected eighths. When I scan through, I see eighths on beat 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and 2. As you go through the whole line. All right, and that's page 11.